નો 13મો દીક્ષાંત સમારોહ છે. મુકેશ અંબાણી સંબોધન કરી રહ્યા છે.
Made it a hub of new ideas and bold innovation and quick execution. Srimati Karwalji, your wisdom, guidance and unstinting support have been invaluable to PDU. Dr. Manoharanji, your dedication to academic excellence and global engagement has uplifted the entire university, and I am continuously impressed with your pace of execution. Let us give, my dear students, our leadership team a huge round of applause. Distinguished leaders, faculty and students, India today stands at a proud moment in its development journey when you are graduating. The global economy is growing at less than 2.5%, and India is sprinting ahead at nearly 8%. There is erosion of confidence all around. In contrast, India is bubbling with hope and self-confidence. A decade ago, the rest of India was talking about vibrant Gujarat. Today, the rest of the world is talking about a vibrant India. Nevertheless, we must remember that geopolitical situation has created certain challenges for our future progress. India must become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant in critical technologies and industries. This message is also of great relevance to our university and all other universities in India. History shows that countries become true economic powers only when they are strong in science and technology. History also shows that nations lead in science and technology only when they have world-class universities. America became America because of its best in the world universities. Europe demonstrated this truth much earlier. Japan did it. China is also doing it. Now it is India's turn, and we should do better than all the rest. As all of you know, right now there is stiff global competition in artificial intelligence, new energy, particularly development of nuclear and fusion technologies, space technologies, and biotechnologies and life sciences technologies of the future. In this race, jo jeeta, wahi Sikandar. Under the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, I believe Bharat jeetega, Bharat आगे बढ़ेगा, भारत दुनिया को बदलेगा और हम सब, particularly my next generation, भारत को बदलेंगे. PDEU must make its own contribution to winning this race. Therefore, today, I want to ask all of you here, all the students, all the researchers, and the teachers of our great universities, are we ready to make PDEU one of the best universities in green energy, green material, green economy, and all endeavors that we take? Yes or no? Can I hear a big yes? Yes, that's the spirit. I believe in each and every one of you. I believe in you because the greatest source of energy in the world is the energy of our patriotic youth, and India is a young country. My dear PDU family, the Reliance Foundation has been at the forefront of supporting all around development of PDU. Over the last 10 years, the foundation has contributed over 150 crores, and you can always count on our unstinted support. Dear graduating students, today is your day. I look at all your faces today, I see the excitement, the pride, and a deep sense of achievement. Every smile here tells a story of hard work, challenges overcome, friendships built, and dreams pursued. You represent the confident and the unstoppable spirit of a new India. You are the torchbearers of India's aspiration to build a better tomorrow for all our 145 crore Indians. I heartily applaud your success and wish each and every one of you the very best from my heart. And ask all others in this audience to give a big round of applause to our graduating students. Congratulations and well done. Today, I also want to acknowledge our teachers, the true pillars of this university. Their joy is as deep as yours. Behind every successful student stands a teacher who encouraged, challenged, supported, and believed in his students. Please join me in applauding them for their extraordinary dedication. To all the parents and families who, as I see in this audience, far exceeds the students, let me say that this moment belongs to you as well. Your children are receiving their degree today, but in your hearts, the real reward is the joy you see on their faces. You have celebrated their victories. You have lifted them through their struggles. Most importantly, you never stopped believing in them in all their inevitable ups and downs. Your love and sacrifice have made this day possible. Let us offer our warmest applause to all the proud families and parents gathered in the audience. Dear students, today as you step into a new world, let me give you a message of hope and positivity. Your future is bright. Have no worries. India and the world at large are full of opportunities. I, in fact, envy you because when I was your age, we didn't have so many exciting opportunities when we graduated. You are graduating at a very special time. My young friends, as you begin your journey, I want to introduce you to 4 lifelong companions who will walk beside you every step of the way. Your first friend is curiosity. This is the child within you that keeps asking why and why not. Curiosity opens doors you didn't know existed. It pushes you to learn, explore, and discover. Nurture it every single day because a curious mind never becomes irrelevant. In today's world, is uncertain. It helps you move forward even when the path is unclear. Let courage be your compass in very difficult moments. Your third friend is perseverance. There will be days when progress is slow, when results seem distant, when you feel tired or discouraged. Perseverance is the quiet force that helps you rise each time you fall and try again with renewed determination. Success is not a 100-meter sprint.